Cannabis is everywhere these days: dispensaries, social media, even medical clinics. A lot of people see it as natural and harmless. But have you ever wondered how it actually affects your brain? Let's break it down. The main active chemical in cannabis is THC. That's what makes you feel high. But it also changes how parts of your brain work, especially the areas involved in memory, emotions, and decision-making. In the short term, this can mean slower reaction times, trouble focusing, mood swings, or making risky choices. But over time, especially with heavy use, these changes can become long-lasting. If someone uses cannabis regularly, daily, or in large amounts, it can lead to more serious problems: memory loss, lower motivation, difficulty learning new things, and even symptoms of anxiety or depression. And for teens and young adults, the risk is even higher. That's because their brains are still developing, and THC can actually interfere with that growth. Research shows early cannabis use can lead to long-term changes in brain structure and may even increase the risk for serious mental health issues. Brain scans have shown that people who use cannabis heavily often have less activity in the brain's decision-making centers and weaker connections between key areas. This doesn't mean cannabis is dangerous for everyone, but it's not risk-free, especially when it's used often or starts early. Then there's cannabis use disorder, which is real and more common than people think. It's when someone can't stop using cannabis, even when it causes problems. They might feel cravings, withdrawal, or anxiety when they try to quit. It's not just a bad habit, it's a medical condition that affects brain function, and it deserves real support and treatment. At Virtue Recovery Center, we help people heal from cannabis misuse and rebuild their mental health. Whether it's learning new coping tools, managing anxiety, or improving focus and memory, recovery is absolutely possible. If you or someone you care about is struggling with cannabis use, don't wait. Call Virtue Recovery Center today at 877-848-9770. The brain can heal, and your future is still wide open. Let's take the next step together.